Namaskar, welcome to IMD's daily weather briefing program. Today is 27 January 2026. ABC the highlights. So, under the influence of a western disturbance, light to moderate rainfall, snowfall likely at many places over western Himalaya region, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand today and tomorrow, and heavy rainfall today on 27th over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and light to moderate rainfall likely at some places over adjoining plains of northwest India, including Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, with possibility of hailstorm and gusty wind and lightning today. And a fresh western disturbance likely to affect northwest India from night of 30th of January. If we see yesterday's weather, so light to moderate rainfall, snowfall occurred over western Himalaya region, and dense to very dense fog conditions over west Uttar Pradesh, and dense fog over Punjab, east Madhya Pradesh, and Meghalaya. Cold day conditions prevailed in few pockets of Himachal Pradesh. ABC synoptic system, so there is a western disturbance over North Pakistan, which its induced cyclone circulation over southwest Rajasthan, and there is a moisture incursion from northern parts of Arabian Sea to the northwest adjoining central India. There is a wind confluence over northwest and adjoining central India. So under the influence of these weather systems, and another western disturbance likely to affect from night of 30th of January. So under the influence of this system, if we look at forecast of the minimum temperature, so gradual fall in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius likely over northwest India during the next 2 days, and gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius thereafter. Gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely over central India during the next 2 days. Gradual fall in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius likely over North Maharashtra during next 2 days, and gradual fall in minimum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius likely over Gujarat during next 24 hours. And if we see weather warning for today, so bad weather expected northwest India, including Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, eastern parts of Rajasthan, and western parts of Madhya Pradesh, with possibility of light to moderate rainfall at many places, with possibility of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind, hailstorm at isolated locations, with possibility of heavy rainfall, snowfall over hills, including Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, and Uttarakhand. Accordingly, bad weather is likely to continue today over northwest India and adjoining central India. And if we see the weather warning for 28, so thunderstorm with possibility of lightning over Uttarakhand, eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and northeastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, with possibility of cold wave over Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, and thunder and fog warning for Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, especially North Madhya Pradesh and Bihar region, and also hailstorm warning issued for Sikkim region for 28th of January. On 29th, cold wave over Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh, and fog over northwest and adjoining central and adjoining east India. On 30th, the fog warning issued for Punjab, Haryana, and also Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, cold wave over Punjab, Haryana, and Himachal Pradesh. And under the influence of fresh spell, fresh western disturbance, thunderstorm warning issued for eastern parts of Rajasthan on 31st, and the intensity will increase on 1st with possibility of thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana. On 2nd, the spell will continue. The warning will issued due course after some days. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.